Hello everyone, I am Shivang Joshi aka The Image Freak, and today in this video I'll be sharing my experience with the dbrand grip. It's more like an update to the review which was posted on my site last year. I'll leave the link to that review down in the description, which will also be updated when this video goes live. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the point. I have been a supporter of dbrand products since quite a long time. I had the first version of the dbrand grip, which ended up having some issue after the Indiegogo campaign. So it was never publicly launched, and that was a great decision considering the issues that the case had. However, with the launch of the new dbrand grip, it was directly available to purchase on their site along with dbrand Prism. I placed a pre-order for that case as well as Prism on the day it was available on the site. A few months later, I received the case through RMX. I ended up using the case for almost a month before I published a review on my site, theimagefreak.com. It was a very positive review as I didn't face any issue with the case back then. I went ahead and easily recommended it to anyone and everyone who was looking for a protective case. After that review went live, I kept changing cases and never used any case continuously until a few months back when I came back to the dbrand grip. I started using it again, and after a couple of months, the condition of the case degraded like quite a lot. And as soon as I noticed that, I contacted dbrand robots, and they were ready to help as soon as they saw the images of the case. A few days later, they sent the replacement unit for the case as well as the case skin, and I received it a day before the lockdown started in my country. I started using the case right away from the day I received it, and I told myself that I won't remove the case for a few months to see how it fares in the long term. And guess what? The same issue started occurring again on the replacement case. The sides of the case started coming out. The bottom part and the part near volume and power buttons started bulging. The case was pretty much unusable at that point. So I contacted dbrand CS team again. This time I provided them with a video which showcases both the cases at the same time. After a few days, I received a response, and again they were ready to help. I had to answer a few questions, which was mainly feedback to get the next version of the case right. Once those questions were answered, they provided me with a good resolution and my problem was solved. While all this was going on, I was thinking if I was the only one to face this issue. But to my surprise, I wasn't the only one. Twitter showed many users who were facing the same issue with their grip cases. So I can confirm that this issue isn't even limited to a specific device. And as I said before, I posted a review for dbrand grip on my site about a year ago. However, things have changed since then. So I have updated the review to alert those who are willing to buy the dbrand grip. And I'm just sharing my experience here in this video. Even though I like dbrand a lot, I cannot ask you to buy the dbrand grip right now. Would I buy the next version of the case? Of course, I will do that. Would I continue buying skins from them? Well, that's not even a question. This entire video was just dedicated to not buying dbrand grip. There's no good alternative for skins. Dbrand makes some of the best skins in the world, so go ahead and purchase some skins to save your devices from scratches and smudges. And their customer support is just phenomenal. So even if you have already placed an order for dbrand grip or are still willing to try it, you can do that. Their customer support will always be there to help you out if you face any issue. I trust dbrand and their support team, and that's the reason I'll continue buying from them even after 2 failed cases which are currently lying in my drawer. It's not always great product which helps retain customers. Even if you have a failed product but great customer support, you will be able to retain several customers. And if you nail both product and customer support like dbrand has done with their skins, you will have a huge loyal fan base. And no, I'm still not recommending you to buy the dbrand grip right now. If it gets better or if a new improved version comes out, I will make a video or publish an article to inform you all. If you have watched the video till now, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, please like, share and comment on this video. It helps in visibility. And if you want to see some great product shots and connect with me, then go and follow my account on Instagram and Twitter. Both have the same username, The Image Freak. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you got the information you were looking for. We'll see you in the next video now. Goodbye.